In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add the data file that you have downloaded from the canvas. So once you have logged into the ArcGIS Online, you will be in this page and you will click on the map, and this is the add button. But before you start adding, I suggest you locate where you have downloaded your file. There is download option, there is desktop. I have seen students saving in various places, so please make sure you know where you have saved your file. Then I know that I have saved it in my exercise folder, and to avoid clicking buttons so many times, what I do is I select the file path here, right click and copy the file path, and then click on to the add drop down menu here and go to add layer from file. And here I'll click on your device, and this is where I'm going to paste the path I just copied. So I'll paste it here and hit enter on my keyboard, and I will be in the same folder where my data is saved. So this is my data set 2020 herbaglo.zip. I'll select that and click open, and this is a shapefile, and I will choose it as a shapefile, and then I'll click next, and then this one already says that I have a file because I have done this before, so I will provide a different name and I can call it Megalopolis 2020. And if you are getting the same error, please just use a different name. That mostly solves this error. And I will just click a tag like mega cities tag. There might be some tags that are available to me, not to you, just because I've had these data set already in my folder. And then I will click on create and add to map. Once the data layer is added, because the map was kind of zoomed in automatically in the United States, we can only see two locations here, LA and New York, but this is a global data set, so you have to zoom out and then you can see all the data points here, and you can see the symbology, which is the megalopolis, a point symbol. Before we go ahead and explore some visualization option, it's always a good idea to check what's in the data set other than these locations. So I will click onto these three dot symbol and click on show table, because a data like this, point data, if you haven't taken GIS, then you may not know this, but a data like this always comes with ton of information in the background, and we can explore that and access that from the table. So you can see that it's in that data set we have information like country ID, country name, then the name of the urban agglomeration. Sometimes it's different than a single city itself. There are these multiple year worth of population data set, and that's why we are using this data from 1950. We can see that there is a population until I think 2035. So this is projection. So some observed data set, and then the rest are projected data. And then there's a label, and so these labels are kind of a formatted version of these urban agglomeration that we can use to label our circles as well.